Welcome to Stories That Shine. Today's tale is about three friends, a mango tree, and the power of kindness, honesty, and sharing. Get ready to learn a lesson that makes life sweeter. Once upon a time, in a small village, there stood a tall mango tree. Its branches stretched wide, and every summer golden mangoes dangled from it like little suns. Three friends, Sophea, Dara, and Lina, loved to play under the tree. One hot afternoon, they saw that the tree was full of ripe mangoes. Sophea said, "Let's pick them quickly before anyone else comes." Dara shook his head. "But this tree belongs to Grandma Srey. We should ask her first." Lina thought for a moment and said, "What if we take some and hide them? She won't know." Just then, Grandma Srey walked toward them. She smiled kindly. "Children, the mangoes are ready. If you want some, just ask. But remember, the sweetest fruit is for those who are honest and kind." Dara stepped forward. "Grandma, may we have some mangoes, please?" "Of course," Grandma said. She picked a basketful and gave it to them. Sophea felt guilty. "Grandma, I wanted to take them without asking. I'm sorry." Grandma patted his shoulder. "Being honest is better than being clever." Lina's face turned red. "I thought of hiding mangoes, but I won't do it again. Next time, I'll share instead." Grandma smiled. "I'm proud of you all. Kindness and honesty make the fruit even sweeter." The three friends sat under the tree, sharing the juicy mangoes together. They laughed and promised never to forget the lesson. Sharing brings joy, honesty builds trust, and kindness makes life sweeter. Wasn't that a tasty story? Remember, being honest and kind makes the world brighter, and sharing brings joy to everyone. If you liked the story, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more Stories That Shine.